So the
Uh-huh.
teams are growing really well here in
Oh,
India. Yeah.
okay. So the reason for my Zoom call is to talk more on the safety part of the members' money.
Sure.
That is the most important ingredient.
Yeah. Yeah.
When they join any program, they are able to withdraw their money, and
Yeah.
nobody can run away with their money. That is the
Yes.
most important thing to address.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
People got sick and tired of being scammed and starting all over again, another program. So I hope this will be something that we can look for long term.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Mm.
See, the calculation that is fixed, as we discussed last time, the
Mm.
calculation that is fixed in the smart contract, it cannot be changed.
Yeah.
There is no option that anybody can access the funds which are there in the smart contract. That cannot be changed. The
Uh-huh.
contract is 100% no verified, and you can get the code audited yourself as well. As I discussed last time, that the code is open source. We can go on Tronscan. We can just copy paste the smart contract address, and we can just go and read the contract. We can read the complete contract, and if anybody who understands the technical language, they can basically go and get the complete code read by any of the developers as well, right? So this is completely open and transparent system, as no there is no option to access the funds.
Yeah, there are also smart contract in the market that fail. They launch
Yeah,
for 1 or 2 days and they disappear.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. I'm not a technical man. Okay. Let's
yeah,
say I'm a layman.
yeah.
Can you show me something? How to see whether this is a fully verified smart contract as compared to non verified smart contract?
See, I'll put that point across as well. Just showing that the code is verified does not gives the guarantee that there is anything wrong in the contract or not.
Mm-hmm.
The verification of the contract is only just one of the points that you are submitting your code to the Tronscan,
Mm-hmm.
and when you submit your code to the Tronscan, and Tronscan only makes sure that whatever code you have submitted, it is according to the norms of, or according to the code functionality of Tronscan.
Mm-hmm.
That is it. The verification that everybody shows that this contract is verified, it
Mm-hmm.
does not gives you the guarantee
Mm-hmm.
that the code cannot do anything wrong with you. Okay.
Okay.
So to get the 100% confidence,
Uh-huh.
we as a leaders need to make sure that the code does not have any functionality from
Mm-hmm.
where the developer or the promoter or the founder can access the funds of the community.
Oh.
But I'll show you
Okay. Okay.
how we are able to see that if the code is verified or not. I can show you
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Yeah. I want this to be transparent to all the members.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
So I'll show you. Yeah. So for example, if we go in just our ID and we just go directly to the contract, are you able to see the screen?
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just go directly to the contract address. So this is the code. So here, if you see contract, you just
Yeah.
click on the contract part,
Okay.
and then it shows you the source code is verified. Perfect match. Can you read it?
Yes. Yes. Perfect match. Is it?
Yes, yes. The source code is verified. That means whatever code that is programmed, it is already been verified by the Tron scan, okay, or the
Mm-hmm.
Tron blockchain, that it cannot be changed, right? So now we have to make sure that whatever code is written here, said this is a code,
Mm-hmm.
this is a complete code.
Mm-hmm.
We can get the code audited by any of the blockchain developers, to make sure that nobody can access the funds of the smart contract.
Even you yourself cannot access the fund, right?
No, no, nobody can. Nobody can.
Mhm. But you can do some editing on the interface of the website, right?
No, 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 no. Nobody can edit the smart contract after the code is verified, deployed. Plus, it
Mhm.
is verified by the contract. Nobody can edit anything.
Okay. My question is, can you make some amendment on your website on the
Yes, yes.
Tornado.io?
On Tornado website, the amendments can be done, but Tornado website is just the interface
Hmm?
of the smart contract.
Or
Okay.
it's
So
just an interface, right?
yes, yes, it's just an interface. The
Huh?
amendments on the .io website can be done, but
Huh?
the amendments in the code cannot be done.
Oh.
So right now, for example, people have told me that Trons can have restricted the withdrawal.
Hmm?
Tron chain, they have
Yeah.
restricted the withdrawal, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
they have only done the amendment in the interface. They cannot do
Oh.
any amendment in the code. So you
Mm-hmm.
can also still go in the smart contract and withdraw your funds directly from the smart contract.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. People don't know it because though they haven't taught anybody in their network. But
hmm?
we teach people in our community that even if the Tornado.io website does not work, you can still withdraw your funds directly from the Tronscan website.
Oh.
Yes,
But
I
how
can,
to withdraw if the interface is no longer working?
I can show you. I can show you. You
Okay,
just
okay.
open your wallet. You open your wallet. I'll show you.
Huh?
Open your wallet.
Oh, you want?
Tornado. Share your screen. Can you share your screen,
Oh,
or you
okay,
can
okay,
just open
okay.
your wallet in your phone?
I can share my screen. Hold on, huh?
Are you on laptop or are you
I'm
doing?
on the desktop here.
Okay, okay, great. Great.
Okay,
So
you want me to open my wallet?
yeah, yeah, just
No, I'm
open
in.
it.
Can you see my screen? This is my Tornado.io website.
Okay, okay. So
Hmm?
do you have anything there to withdraw? Do you
Yes,
have
yes,
any
yes, yes. I just wake up. Definitely, there's something. Oh
fifteen
yeah,
thousand? Okay,
50,000. Eh?
you have available balance 15,421. Okay. So
Yeah.
now I'll show you how you can withdraw this fund.
Hmm?
Even if Tornado.io is not working, you can still withdraw this fund directly from Tronscan.
Okay.
So just copy the wallet, the contract address, which is given in the bottom. Just copy the
Where,
contract
where,
address.
where is it? Below.
Yeah, go to the bottom, just to the end of the website.
Oh.
Uh, can you see the contract
Oh,
address?
the contact address.
Yeah, copy this address
Okay. Okay.
and just go on tronscan.io. Open a new, Tronscan.
Uh, Trons.
I think it's .org or Tronscan. Yeah, .io.
Tronscan.io, is it?
Yes, I think it is .io. Yeah, yeah. Click on it.
Ah.
.org. No, no, .io. Yeah.
Okay.
Paste the address here.
Here.
Yeah,
Yeah, paste it here.
and click on search bar.
Mm-hmm. Nothing. Respond. Yeah.
Again,
Okay.
paste.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay. You can see here. This is the
Yeah.
contact address, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So this is a
Okay.
contract of Tornado, right?
Okay.
So just click on write contract. Can you see the word write contract in the bottom? Write contract. Yeah. Yeah. Write
right,
contract. Yes.
right contract, okay?
Yeah.
Uh,
And on the first option there is withdraw. Click on
ah,
send. Click on send.
send,
Accept.
accept.
Just
Mm-hmm.
wait. Yes. So now you have already withdrawn whatever amount you had in Tornado reward. It is already been withdrawn into your wallet. Go to your wallet and check the transaction.
Wait, hold on, So I can see from here the transaction, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the latest one.
Yes,
30th
yes,
of December, yeah,
yeah.
17,366, right?
Yes, yes. So now you've seen that you have not, without even accessing the Tornado.io website,
Mm-hmm.
you have withdrawn your profits from the Tornado smart contract directly.
Oh,
So this is the fund that this is actually the decentralized project.
oh. now I see. So the members just have to keep the what
Contract address.
the
Yeah.
contract there, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Hmm. So you as a developer here, you can't even go inside here to take our fund, right?
No, no, nobody can. Nobody can.
No, no. Okay, okay. That's what people want to know. They want to be safe.
Absolutely, brother.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. I think that's all I need to clarify with you. Yeah. I hope
Sure.
with this members have more confidence in Tornado.
Absolutely.
Uh,
Absolutely.
okay. What is your opinion? How can you make Tornado sustainable for the long term?
See, the only thing that we need to understand is, as this is a community-based program, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And like any kind of business model, if new clients keep on coming or new users keep on coming to the business, it will
Mm-hmm.
keep on growing. So
Mm-hmm.
we just need to make sure that we keep supporting the community. We keep going within the community. We keep doing the events. We keep bringing that trust in the community
Mm-hmm.
that this is 100% safe platform, as we teach our each and every member that you, even if the tornado.io website doesn't work, you can still go and take out your money from the contract, like I have shown you.
Okay. Okay.
We show this to all the users. We show this to
Oh.
all the community members, right? So
Okay,
our only
I have a question here. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
okay. You say it depends on new members coming in.
yeah, yeah,
From what I see, even let's say after some time you have, let's say, about 500,000 member. Okay?
yeah,
Even the 500,000 member, when they purchase again, that is considered a new sales, right?
yeah,
When they top up or they compound,
yeah,
that is still considered as new sales, correct?
right, right,
Even without new members coming in,
yeah,
with the existing 500,000 members,
yeah,
Tornado still can run, right? Because
absolutely, absolutely, yeah,
there are new sales, right? That means
yeah,
we
yeah.
cannot say that is Tornado is depending solely on new members recruitment, correct?
See, yeah, yeah. Solely it's not dependent. Of course, if the community is still
Oh,
rotating their own fund,
yes,
still
yes.
the system will keep on rolling. But
Ah.
we want the system to grow even bigger, right?
Yeah, yeah, I
But
know. I mean,
yeah,
this is my from what I saw for the past
yes, yes.
10 days.
Right,
Even
right, right.
without new members coming in, let's say you have 500,000 members,
Yeah,
the members are compounding, purchasing new plan. I mean, it
yeah.
still makes Tornado sustainable, right?
Absolutely, absolutely,
Okay,
absolutely.
okay, yeah. If that is correct. That is fantastic. Yeah. Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe one day, if time permit, you can visit Malaysia and
For sure, for sure. We would love to, but it's all because of this
yeah,
corona. We are
yeah.
not able to travel international because we have really good team in Thailand now, very good team in Turkey, very good team, across, like in Finland as well. There is an event on 2nd of January, which is
Okay, okay.
happening in Finland. We also
Uh-huh.
wanted to come, but the government is not issuing visas.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, yeah, I understand that.
yeah, that is a problem. Yeah.
Uh, okay, what else can you let me know in terms of building the belief in the society?
See, the first point is, of course, the complete founding
It's
team.
breaking up. Your voice is breaking up.
Okay, okay. Is it okay now?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. I said the first point is that the people or the community here or the founding members of Tornado platform, they
Hmm?
are always available to connect with people at any
Hmm.
time. And we are working on the field. We are meeting directly one-to-one people, one-to-one investors every time. From last
Ah.
3 months, constantly we are on the field,
Oh.
building the system, building that trust in people, right? Second
Yes, yes.
point is we make sure that we educate each and everyone about the smart contract, about the technology. We make sure that they understand how the complete smart contract thing works. We
Mm.
also make sure that they are not misled or misguided by any other person. Like many people in the field or in the market, they think that if the contract is verified, nothing bad can happen.
Mm.
So that is not the case. Contract verified is just one thing, but we need to also make sure after getting the contract audited that there is no option of the fund leakage, right? Also, like in TRX chain now, many people they are very scared that they cannot withdraw funds. But I can also show you that you can still withdraw funds from Tronscan directly from the contract,
Mm. Okay, okay.
right? Yeah. So
No, you say it's audited. Who
yeah,
are
it's
the
100.
auditors? Who are the auditors who have audited your account?
You can get this audited by any of the developers. We have multiple no technical teams or multiple development teams,
Mm-hmm.
or multiple leaders. They have done the audit themselves. That like Finland team, they got it audited from their own developers.
Mm.
Thailand team, they got it audited from their own developers. In India, many leaders got this contract audited from many other developers. So people are getting it audited from third parties.
Mm. But can you, is there any way for the new members to see that you have been audited in Thailand or in India? Can,
Yeah,
can
yeah,
you,
yeah.
I think it
We
will be
can.
good. It will be
Yeah,
good
yeah.
for you if you can include that in the interface.
Sure. We can
Ah,
get the audit code, no, audit report. We can put it in the interface.
that will be good. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
we'll do that.
yeah, I heard that you are going to do some editing on the interface. Is it true? I
No,
mean,
no, no.
you
We are
want to
not
make
going to do.
some changes to make it look better on the interface.
No, not right now. We don't want
Oh,
to make any changes
okay.
because the people would get confused, and
Yeah.
people because they've been using the same interface for last 3 months. So we
Mm-hmm.
don't want to make anybody see. People get confused
Yes,
easily
yes.
when you make any changes in the
Okay,
running
okay.
system.
Okay, that's
So
good, huh?
we don't want to do that.
Yeah, from my experience, huh? If you
Yeah.
have a winning formula, never
Yeah.
change the winning formula.
Absolutely. This is
Stick
what
to it.
we also believe in. Yeah.
Companies fail just because they have a winning formula. Along the way, they try to do something better, and it
Yes.
turns
Yes.
out to be a disaster. Mm.
Yes.
Always keep the winning formula running.
Right. Right.
Only that I saw from the interface. If I'm from my handphone, from my iPhone,
Yeah.
when I want to purchase the plan,
Yeah.
I can hardly see the invest now button and also where to put in the amount of TRX I want to purchase. It's
Sorry. I missed that. What?
yeah from my iPhone. I don't know about Android. Okay,
Yeah.
when I want to purchase a plan,
Yeah.
I cannot see because the the area where I have to put in my how many trons I want to buy and the
Yeah.
invest button is not
Yeah.
visible.
Can you share the screenshot with us in the group?
Yeah?
Can you share the screenshot in the group?
Yeah. Because from iPhone, I have a lot of members asking me where to click the invest now button because they cannot see it. It's all
Okay.
dark color.
Okay.
I can share you the screenshot in the group. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you can adjust this because
So we'll
it's
see.
not.
We cannot adjust it, but we'll have to completely update the color combination and everything.
The
And then,
color.
yeah. Could be the color. Yeah.
For the people like me, everything we can try to find out. But for the layman, they can't even see where to put in the amount and where is the invest now button. They cannot see.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I will give suggestion along the way.
Absolutely.
I might not be a strong leader in your tornado, but I'm working
No,
towards
you
it.
are. You are.
So I want to see something that I start promoting is number one is genuine.
Yes.
Is here to stay, and
Yeah.
we will support the growth of Tornado together with you.
Absolutely.
So you and Ankit, is it? Ankit also
Yes.
is.
Yes.
Yeah, Ankit. So you are working together with Ankit going for the meetings, everything, right?
Yes, yes. We both are going together and traveling together. Sometimes I am traveling somewhere else, he's traveling somewhere else.
Ah,
Sometimes we
okay,
both are together. So we are trying to make sure that we support each and every community wherever we can.
yeah, yeah. I love the support. When I ask any question, I mean, almost immediately you responded to the thing. Uh,
Yeah,
so whatever I ask question is just to make things better for my
we
Tornado team.
understand. We understand that. Yeah, we
Okay.
understand that. Yeah.
Uh, so do you have any more to share? Grace, do you have anything more to share? Yeah, another one. My upline Grace is always available 24/7.
It's good now. It's good
uh,
now. Actually, I know the problem with the amount to put into the iPhone interface. Yeah, I know that already.
ah,
Many times I have to guide them and I have to identify
ah,
that for them.
ah,
So
Okay.
right.
yeah, I can input that as well. So
Sure, sure.
it
So
should
if
be
you can just
sorted out.
share that, no, share those screenshots and just you can mention what is the issue basically people are facing.
Yes, yes.
We'll
Sure,
try,
sure.
we'll try our best what we can know update in that.
Mm. Yeah,
Yes.
usually for network marketing, we have to make it very simple for the normal man to understand. That is the
Absolutely,
best system.
absolutely,
Uh,
absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
so, I mean, do you have any more to share, Abhishek or
I
Grace?
think the first thing that I want to put across is that we are targeting a bigger target every day. No, we the
Mm-hmm.
complete community is working really hard to make this
Mm-hmm.
system sustainable, plus to make no the system grow every day. And we have a plan to do an international global event in Dubai after
Oh.
March,
Mm-hmm.
the time when we are going to launch the Tornado token on public exchanges. We are going to do a very big event in Dubai,
Okay,
and
back to the Tornado token. When you go up the rank, you receive TRX plus the token, right?
the TRX, yes. When you get the reward, when you achieve the rank,
Mm.
you get extra TRX and Tornado tokens,
Mm.
and these Tornado tokens will be available to trade on public exchange after
Mm.
March 2021.
After March.
Yes,
Mm.
and we want to do a big event, a launch event of Tornado token in Dubai,
Mm-hmm.
and but that will be happening in April after March. And
Mm-hmm.
during that time only, we'll be launching the trading on public exchanges for Tornado token,
Oh.
because by that time we'll have a really big community to
Mm.
support the trading of Tornado token.
Okay, okay. So, can you share something about the Tornado token? What's your future plan? How to grow
Sure,
it?
sure, sure. So Tornado token is going to be a utility token
Mm-hmm.
where we'll be able to spend these tokens on multiple virtual websites, or
Mm-hmm.
like multiple websites like online gaming, sports betting, casino, and then e-commerce platforms. And then the roadmap that we have defined, that there will be a decentralized exchange. On that exchange, all the transaction fees or the trading fees will be paid in Tornado token only. Similarly, we are working on to build a smart device which will be enabled with blockchain and cryptocurrency products, and that device people will only be able to buy through Tornado token, right? So we
Oh.
are going to create multiple utility platforms
Mm.
where the demand we can work to grow that demand in the market for Tornado token. And as these are restricted to only 100 million tokens, which are already circulated within the community, and the rest people can still earn by achieving the ranks,
Yeah, yeah.
or yeah. So there is a big roadmap for Tornado token and a big future for Tornado token to come, but we
Mm-hmm.
don't want to distract people. As see what I believe, like Tron chain, what why they are doing this right now, that they have restricted the withdrawals,
Mm.
because they created multiple products,
Mm-hmm.
right? With
Mm.
Tron chain, they brought Applicity. With that, they brought this Uniswap thing. So people or the community got distracted because of
Mm-hmm.
that, right? And the
Mm.
flow of investment got reduced in Tron chain, what I believe, and the flow of withdrawal have increased. So
Mm.
now this might have given them a thought that if we stop or hold the withdrawal, people might start putting in more business. But I think it will go as a negative mark within the community. If you stop the withdrawal somehow,
Mm.
people start to feel uncomfortable. Whatever reason you give, people don't trust.
Yes, yes.
They stop losing trust,
Uh,
right?
yeah.
So we want to make sure that we don't make any changes and we do not divert our people or divert our community, Tornado token is an additional benefit for the community where token will help them generate additional rewards. But the system of Tornado is going to run as it is for a very, very long period of time.
Okay. I have one important question. Okay. Your background is a developer before, right?
No, I'm not from the developing background. I'm from the business background. But from last 6 years,
Uh-huh.
I have my own development team. We've been building multiple projects for cryptocurrency exchanges, for wallets, for many blockchain products. So I am not a tech guy, but I have a complete team of technical team. Yeah.
Okay. That means your background, you know about the blockchain, everything, right? You are well versed on this, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you share your opinion? Okay, people will ask, instead of me buying the Bitcoin or collecting Tron,
Yeah.
why not I collect Bitcoin? What is the difference? So why TRX? Okay, can you share with me the future value of TRX?
Sure.
Why I must enter into TRX instead of Bitcoin? Okay.
Absolutely. See, Bitcoin have reached a level where many people have lost that growth potential which people would have attained in the early phases.
Okay.
And Bitcoin is only now going to be used as an asset. It is not going to work like a currency anymore because it has certain restrictions within its blockchain. The transactions are very, very slow. The transaction fees is very high because it was not designed to do multiple transactions, and the technology keep on updating itself. After Bitcoin, the second biggest blockchain that we've seen is Ethereum.
Yes.
So people trusted Ethereum because it was scalable and it was at a cheaper price and it had a better technology where people were able to develop multiple products on Ethereum blockchain itself, right? Also, after Ethereum, because Ethereum was working on proof of work technology, so it was again getting hard for the community to do the scalability. Again, you must have seen what happened with Forsage, that the transaction fees got really high, the transaction went really slow because it is not scalable. So what TRX have done, the Tron is basically running on proof of stake technology, which is called POS technology, where the blockchain is really, really scalable and the transactions are very fast.
Yeah.
Okay. And they're still working on to grow that scalability every now and then. And what is better than Bitcoin or Ethereum or other popular cryptocurrencies in Tronscan or the Tron blockchain? Tron blockchain is basically working to build a decentralized internet. Right. That is their main product which they are working on to decentralize internet. Right. Like right now, we know that Google and Facebook and all these big internet giants, they are controlling the complete digital world or internet world, right? So what Tron is basically trying to do, they want to decentralize the complete internet market as well. They want to make sure that whatever content people are posting on the internet, it is controlled by the content creator and not the company. And right now, for example, Facebook earns money from people's content. Google earns money from people's content. YouTube earns money from people's content, right? So Tron is working to build a decentralized content sharing platform plus decentralized web. So this is what the Tron is working for. And of course, Tron is also being used on multiple gaming platforms already. And it is a big market. And also, if you've seen, Tron have also recently launched a lending platform, Just Lend, which is far better than what Uniswap was able to do. So Tron have a very big development team at the back end who are day and night working to make the technology even better, right? And the one technical strong part is that Tron technology is being used by two big mobile phone giants like Samsung and Huawei. They are using the blockchain of Tron to build their decentralized applications in their mobile phones. So Tron, of course, have a very bright future. And the next year, what my personal prediction is of last 6 years experience, that in next year we can see minimum the price of Tron across 50 cents. 40 to 50 cents.
50
Yes.
cents. That
Yes,
is a conservative opinion, right?
Yeah. It's a conservative. People are predicting it to be over $1 or over $10 or whatever. But the conservative figure that I think which it can easily break is 40 to 50 cents, which is still a very big profit, a huge profit where we are sitting right now.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. There's one more question. Uh, is there any possibility that the same scenario what happened to Itachen can happen to Tronado, where suddenly
No.
the fees went up so high?
No. That is what I told you.
Huh?
There is a big difference between the technology of Ethereum and Tron, right?
Okay.
Tron, Ethereum is working on proof of stake, and it had a limit, a certain limit of number of transactions it can handle per second. Similarly, the Tron network have a even 637 times faster or a higher scalability what Ethereum could do.
Oh.
And also parallelly, Tron team is also still working on increase that scalability even higher. So it can never happen in Tron. It can go even minor, like they have already increased the transaction fees with the contract, the Tron, to enhance the security of the contract balances, which are
Oh.
kept on Tron blockchain. They have already increased the fees.
Oh, they increased the fee,
Uh,
huh? Recently,
yeah,
right? Mm.
yeah.
So the possibility of what happened in Itachen will not happen in
No, it cannot happen.
Tornado,
No,
huh?
it cannot happen. It cannot happen.
Hmm. Because if that happen, I mean, the program have to stop.
Yes. It cannot happen. It cannot happen in Tron. That
Hmm.
is why everybody wants to migrate on Tron, because it
Hmm.
is much better as when it comes to scalability. It is much better than Ethereum or any other blockchain.
And one point, Sifu, which I want to put across here is, and you also understand, we all are into business.
Yeah.
If we talk about TRX chain, if we talk about any other smart contracts, you will not see any faces there who come front end and tell that who is the deployer of the project. So there is no Helvi Lippanen, there is no Abhishek Bandari, there is no Ankit Basin who is supporting the market like we are doing right now and coming up front and facing the public, telling them that this is what we are the founders, what we have done, and that is how we are going to progress our market. So that is also one of the confidence level which market should have in Tronado, which other smart contracts do not have. That there are faces to Tronado. In other smart contract, there were no faces. And apart from that, the kind of vision which we have come up with, what we are planning to do is that what Abhishek has told you about the Tronado, it is about the Tronado token which you have talked about. But if we talk about Tronado roadmap, there are roadmaps wherein we are going to put very soon we are going to come up with our decentralized peer-to-peer platform wherein community can go ahead and trade within themselves the Tronado token. Then after that, we are going to come up with our own decentralized exchange also. And apart from that, the new project which we are working upon is to establish the Tronado crypto cafes as well, all across. First, we are starting from India. There is one crypto cafe, Tronado Crypto Cafe, which we are going to have in Gurgaon in India. And then we are going to have in Mumbai, the metropolitan cities. Then we are planning one in Thailand as well. And then as the work grows, then now Sifu is here for the phase for Malaysia, wherein we can see that how we can establish the similar kind of crypto cafe or Tronado crypto cafe in Malaysia as well. So this is a big project wherein we all are going to work as partners, as teams to grow this community to a great extent. There are many scams which are happening, but here the scam cannot happen because there were no faces, and that is the reason why they scammed and went away and vanished. Nobody knew who did the scam and who was the face behind that. But here you have faces, and we are coming and talking to the public and traveling all across, giving the confidence to the public and growing this community day in and day out to ensure that we take Tronado to a greatest level in next 1 year or 6 months.
Okay. Then,
So that is the kind of confidence, Sifu, which we can give you. We are going to work as partners. We are standing behind you. We are standing behind the community. We are going to earn as long as this community is going to grow. So that is something which we want to do. We somebody running away with the money. The one confidence which you should have in Tronado platform is that Tronado platform is 100% decentralized. There is no backdoor. If we talk about backdoor, what does this mean is in simple language that whatever fund which is coming on Tronado platform is going to rotate within the community itself. There is no any leakage. There is no any third door from wherein the fund is leaking. If the fund is going to stay and rotate within the community, that project is going to go very long. Similarly, Tron chain, what this TRX chain has done is that was also a decentralized project. That person has done the change in the interface stating that till the time we reach 8 million TRX, the balance of 8 million TRX, we are stopping the withdrawal. However, having said that, the way you have withdrawn the your trons or your reward from Tronado right now going on tronscan.io, you have withdrawn funds directly from Tron blockchain. In TRX chain also, you can still do the same, but many people are not here. Where many people are not aware of this. However, here in Tronado, we are teaching everybody that even if the web page is not available, if tronado.io, you can see if there is, it says web page not available, then also you can go directly on Tron blockchain, tronscan.io and withdraw your funds directly from Tron blockchain. This is the beauty of decentralized platform, Sifu.
Okay.
So be rest assured, it is going to go very long, very far, and it is not going to go anywhere. And I can personally assure you that in the next 1.5 years, we are going to generate and build very, very, very big community globally.
Yeah. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you. That's a good, as a comfortable explanation by Ankit.
Thank you.
So I think that's all that I need to know. I will edit this video and I will upload it my YouTube channel. Okay, this is
Sure.
very important for my followers.
Sure.
Okay, people want to make money and they don't want to lose money. That is the fact.
Absolutely.
Okay?
This is what we also want to make sure that people don't lose money. And we want to make sure that we educate each and everybody from point 1 to point 10 or point 100 that this is how this complete thing works.
Okay. So thanks a lot for your time. Okay.
Most welcome.
It's
Most
a nice
welcome. Thank you so
call.
much.
Grace, thank you, Grace. Yeah.
And I'm sure now you are going to create multiple rank achievers from Malaysia and from across the globe.
That is the second phase. Building the to me it's about first enrolling the right leaders, then duplicating them.
Absolutely.
To achieve more success. Okay.
Absolutely.
So all the best, Abhishek, Ankit, Grace.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sifu. Thank you. All the best to you too. Thank you, Grace.
Yeah. God bless.
God bless you guys. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.